Hi friends, good morning. Sorry for delay. Actually, there was some issue with the setup, friends. So most welcome, friends. Friends, are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see Asian Paints in 5 minutes time frame? I have used Bollinger Band, so let me just go to settings once again. Okay, I will show you. I have already placed some volume and RSI, and main thing is our Bollinger Band, friends. So these things doesn't matter. I have just added these things. So we can remove these things also. Let me just once again and add Bollinger Band here. So we will type BOL. Okay. So you will get Bollinger Bands. So we will apply here. Okay. So you could see uh, there is 20 period, field is closed, period 20, standard deviation 2. Okay. So this standard deviation is kind of volatility, friends. We could say it's a volatility of the stock or the market. 1 minute, friends. Let me invite the friends also. Just a minute, friends. There are some queries. Yeah, let me share the meeting link everywhere. Friends, are you able to hear me? If you could hear me, you can, you friends, so you can revert me in groups in WhatsApp group, or you can type. You can type here. Let me just once again I go there. Okay, 13 people are there. Where can I type? One option. I think there is no option. Okay, friends. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks for replying. Just wait for 5 minutes, friends. I will invite other friends also. And so there is some delay. Actually, I'm conducting this session after a long time on this YouTube. So it took me some 10-15 minutes to start up the system again. Okay, sir. Okay. Most welcome, sir. Friends, you can also share it with your friends. Anybody who wants to who is interested to learn uh, technical analysis, how to make and where how we can buy and sell. So friends, you can share it with your groups also. Any group or any friends you can share it with your friends. Friends, are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen? Please reply me in WhatsApp groups. Is screen visible, friends? If screen is visible, so I am starting in 3 minutes. By 11:20, we will start the session. So I will wait for 3 more minutes so that other people can join us. I'm little delayed. Okay, the session as I wanted to start it by 11 sharp, but there is some delay of 20 minutes. So I'm very sorry for this. Okay, so far there are 15 members. Friends, are you able to see my screen? Friends, anyone please reply so that I can start the session. Mahesh sir, you have given me a reply that you could hear me. So friends, is screen visible? If screen is visible, then I will start it. Without any delay, we can start it now. Okay, there are 15 friends who are attending this session. So most welcome friends. Today I will tell you how we can make use of Bollinger Bands for taking intraday trades. And friends, I will guide you about long-term trades also. If you want to, make some positional trades for your investment or anywhere, if you have some stocks and you are not clear about its whether stock will be in a good buy or it's the time to exit from the stock with book a stock, we can say book loss. So I have seen friends, they keep stocks which have given them huge losses. Maybe the stocks have taken the 50% of the capital they have invested, but they still don't exit. They're in hope that stock will one day it will reverse, and they expect that stock can give their profits also. But friends, there are very sad stories in stock market. I have seen the stocks which have once at some very big level, and now they have come to as in the range of penny stocks. They have come down below the range of 10-20 rupees. So once the stocks were in 500-600 range also, and they have came down to level of 10 or below 10 also. So friends, don't think that if there is a stock that you have bought and if it has gone down, so it's an opportunity to buy it. It's not always an opportunity to buy. It's a time to take an exit from the stock. So friends, we have to understand this thing. So I will guide you about position trades also, or we can search for build up in building portfolio. I will just guide you about little bit that could be whatever is possible. I will guide you. So friends, this is our the time is done. So I was waiting it for 11:20. So it's already late. So friends, let me just again go back. Or let us friends. I have opened this Zerodha. So friends, I will just go to a free charting site. I think everybody knows investing.com. It's a free charting site, friends. So everybody can make use of this site to see the charts. So let me just open a chart here. So this is the chart. So by default, friends, it shows US in our chart. Okay, I will type here Asian paints. Let us study Asian paints today. Sorry. Yeah, Asian paint, ASPN. So friends, this is Asian paints chart in 15 minutes time frame. So I will make it to 5 minutes time frame for intraday. Because for intraday, 5 minutes time frame is I feel it's a very good time frame. It's neither too late and not too early. So it's a the signal given by 5 minutes time frame is quite reliable. So friends, I will type here Bollinger. Sorry, Bollinger. So you could see here, friends, Bollinger Bands as an indicator has appeared on the screen. So let us add volume also. Let us add RSI also. These things are have no relevance with the indicator we say, but we can take them as a secondary confirmation. Friends, these things can be taken as secondary confirmation. Okay, so I have added RSI and Bollinger Band. Okay, so let us make it full screen. So friends, you could see here that Bollinger Band is has started giving some signals. Okay, let us go a little back. So friends, this indicator is it's a very wonderful indicator, very popular in stock in the forex market. Okay, and friends, let me just go to its setup. What setups are used in this indicator? So friends, this indicator is based on there is a 20 period simple moving average. Okay, and multiplier here is a we can say standard deviation of 2. Standard deviation is a kind of, we can say, volatility of the stock. Okay, so this 20 is left 20 is indicating the 20 period moving average. So you can see this red line. So this is the 20 period moving average, friends. Okay, so median line means the center line is 20 period moving simple moving average. Okay, upper and lower bands are the bands are shown with blue color, friends. Okay, so we can change their colors also, but no need to change. So I have shown you what all setups are there in this indicator. There are three things only. We can say one is median line, that is a 20 period simple moving average, and there is an upper band and a lower band. Okay, so this is all about this indicator. So friends, we will not go in theoretical part of this indicator, because theoretical part is not that important as understanding this indicator and how to take a buy or sell signal as per the indicator. So friends, I will give you some strategy how to trade this indicator. So friends, this indicator is actually used to find the support and resistance of the stock market, of any chart, of anything, just like I have opened Asian Paints and 5 minutes time frame. So for 5 minutes time frame, whatever support and resistance is existing, that would be reflected by its lower and upper bands. Lower bands show support levels and upper band will show as resistance levels. This central red line is the median line, which is a 20 period simple moving average. Okay, right friends, hopefully this thing is clear to everybody. I think sorry, if this thing is clear to everybody, then please type me in WhatsApp groups, so that I can proceed forward and explain with some strategy that how we can trade as per this indicator. So this is a very reliable indicator, friends, and this 20 period simple moving average is also a very, very important and most very we cannot say most, but it's a very popular moving average used for trading in stock market and even in forex market also. There's no message. Friends, please type it if you are able to hear me. Type in our day trading group. Anyone please fast, so that I can proceed with this strategy, that how we can buy and sell, what all setups we have to see. So it's a very simple indicator, friends. I think just looking at chart, many of you might have got clear idea that where would we have shorted and where we have would have bought. Okay, just I am reflecting chart on the screen, so I think this is giving you an idea there where we would have bought and sold the stock. There's no reply coming. So friends, let's proceed without wasting time. Okay, I hope everybody is clear, and I'm audible, and this thing is clear what all I have told. Okay, so friends, we have nothing to do with the whole details of this indicator. So this is a simple indicator. You can use it in anywhere in free charting site in investing.com, also in any indicator also, just like I have Kite app of Zerodha. So I have used this indicator here also. So I'm opening it is same in Asian Paints in 5 minute time frame. Okay, so let us go here, friends. Oh, sorry, problem. This side has one problem, that sometime it what all setups we have placed, that was all has gone. So we have to wait for 1 more minute. Let it reload. Sometimes this site it immediately go to its original setup, that is it shows again INR chart, USD INR chart. Okay, so I will again go to 5 minutes time frame, and I will come to, friends, you can see here from which level this is a portion after settings. There is a, you can see there's a sign of indicator. So from this we can take an indicator of Bollinger Bands. Okay, right. So I have explained you all its setup. What are the settings? So friends, this indicator is let me just add RSI also. I will also add some, friends. We can take one more indicator, RSI, or anything that is you're comfortable with. So for getting some confirmation. Okay, friends. So I have explained you this indicator, what this indicator is about, okay, and how it works. So it is actually, it gives a buy and sell signal based on, the 20 period simple moving average. Okay. So its upper bands are acting as a resistance level and lower band act as a support level, friends. Okay. So friends, let us start with, okay. So I will take a horizontal line here to explain one of the strategy that can be traded made use. So I'm taking this red color. Okay, so friends, you could see here, this is the level. Let me just make it bigger. Okay, so friends, I will shift this line to just above this level of median line of this indicator. So friends, you could see here that one stock was, it has gone below 20 period simple moving average of the indicator, or we can say here, friends, that the stock is, trading below the median line of the Bollinger Band. So once stock goes below the median line of the indicator, so that's a condition that there we can sell. This is a condition. This is a sell set of friends. Once stock goes below the Bollinger Band, sorry, median line of the Bollinger Band, so then we can take a sell call. Okay, but friends, here we have to take a confirmation. Here we have to take a confirmation that stock must go. Suppose anywhere stock is there, it is already going down below the median line of Bollinger Band. Okay, it is already going below the median line of Bollinger Band. Okay, so see, we have to see one stock. Suppose we see a candle that goes below the median line of the Bollinger Band, but we have to wait for the confirmation that maybe any line is there. Suppose look at this level, friends. Sometimes there may be a false signal also. This is a true signal of sell side, but somewhere there may be a condition. Just look at this level. Look at this level. The chart has gone below the median line of the Bollinger Band. Okay, but friends, in this case, for sell side, we have to wait for the stock to go below the first candle. If stock goes below the first candle, then only we can sell. Otherwise, we will not sell it. But you could see here the next candle. Let me just make it bigger. I'm just telling about the median line concept. Okay, look at this level. There is a bearish candle, and after that there is a green candle. Okay, but this green candle has not broken the low of the previous red candle. Let me just make it still bigger so that everybody can see clearly what I mean to say here. I'm talking of this level, friends. So it is not always that anywhere the stock once goes below this and you will sell. No, not always. We have to sell it only once the next candle goes below, the previous candle. So stock has to go below the previous candle. It has to break below the previous candle low. Only then we can sell. But see, nowhere this candle has gone below this, so we will not sell. Low is at this level, but it has not broken, so we will not sell it. We will not sell it till the time it goes below this level. Okay, so see, at this level, friends, this candle has gone below. Look at this level. This is the level of the first candle. Okay, it has gone below, or we can say now the situation has changed. Actually, by this time we can take even these candles also. Once it has gone below, so we can sell it in this range. Okay, but friends, there is one more thing, that there is a, you could see that the Bollinger Band has come to a very small range. Bolinger Band, it's there are phases when it expands and when it contracts. So when in contraction, we have, this time is not the right time to take a trade. The right time to take a trade is when Bollinger Band expands to any side. If we are taking based on this, so this is one more strategy, that Bollinger Band should expand to either side. So means one stock come to this contraction phase, that this Bollinger Band has come to very limited narrow range. So we should expect that stock can, this is in case of the range bound market. This is a range bound market, range bound condition of the market. So here we cannot buy or sell. Okay, so this is a little confusion state. So we have to wait in this part. Once we get that stock breaks this level anywhere, once this range is broken to anywhere, any side, so we should go to that side. So that would be one of the strategies. Okay, so let me explain with what I am telling you about where we would have shorted in this case. The right time to sell is only when once stock goes below the median line of the Bollinger Band, and we have to wait for the first candle low to be broken by the next candle. Anywhere the first candle low is broken, so we can sell it. So look at this level. Suppose we have shorted in this level, keeping stop loss of 1316. 1316 would be our stop loss, and see if we would have shorted at the low of this first candle. So the low of first candle is actually 13.8. Yeah, 13.8.50 somewhere. Yeah, 13.8.50. We will have shorted somewhere in this level. Okay, and look at this. After this level, friends, once stock has gone, once it has broken the previous candle low, once it was below the median line of the Bollinger Band, it has given a huge fall. So you could see here that candles are now most of the candles are we can say out of the Bollinger Band. They're out of the Bollinger Band. So friends, this is a condition that stock can take reversal any side. So we need to immediately trail a stop loss from, suppose we have taken a stop loss of this level. Sorry, what is this level? Yeah, this is 1315, 16 somewhere. Okay, or we can keep at the top of the previous candle at where we have shorted at. Okay, we can take, we have to see for that condition. Okay, we have to see for that condition. So accordingly, we can consider this situation also. We can take at stop loss at the high of this candle, where at the we can say where we are selling at the low of which candle we are selling it. We can keep stop loss at that candle high, a little above, especially close to this median line. The main thing is our stop loss should be at the this median line of the Bollinger Band in case we are selling at this stock. Okay, so this level is actually somewhere yeah, it is somewhere 1315. Okay, we can keep stop loss 1315 and we can sell below 1308.50. Okay, so here is a stop loss approximately 7 rupees. We could say we can keep a stop loss of 7 rupees. Okay, and we can expect a target of 1% fetch. So for intraday, the best target is 1% of the stock. But yeah, we should catch it at the right time. Don't expect that we are selling here and then we expect 1%, or we are selling here and we expect 1%. No, we have to sell it at right time. And if we are not able to get it the right time, we should avoid the trade. Friends, always remember that we should not be in a hurry to go and trade. We should always trade based on some plan. We must have a plan to execute. And we should not forget that there is always a risk involved in any trade. Okay, however the trade looks favorable, it satisfy all the condition, it satisfy any strategy. Okay, don't remember there is always a risk involved in any stock. Okay, so friends, we have to decide that whatever risk we are taking in any stock and how much loss we can bear. So accordingly, we have to manage that. We have to manage the quantity, friends. So I have explained in my most of the videos that I never take a risk of more than 1 to 2% of my total capital on intraday in any stock. So friends, our risk should not exceed 2%, maximum 2% of our total trading capital in our account. With which account, with whichever whatever amount we are trading in intraday. So we have to decide that what would be my stop loss, total loss for the day. So before entering in any trade, we should always be ready with our calculated risk, that how much risk I can take in any day. So suppose there is a simple example. If we have 10,000 in our trading capital, sorry, if we have 10,000 in our trading account. Okay, so its 2% is simply 200, friends. What is the 2% of 10,000 amount in our trading capital is 200 only. So friends, we have to decide that in a day, I can take a maximum risk of 200 rupees. Okay, I can take a maximum risk of 200 rupees, and after that, we have to decide how much stop loss is shown by this stock. So see, this stock is giving us approximately, let us take, it is showing us 7 rupees stop loss. So we have to take, let me take a calculator to show that how much risk we will take it now. So suppose we have a total risk for the day, or for a particular stock, we don't want a risk of more than 200 rupees in a trade. So we will divide that 200 rupees with whatever stop loss is calculated as per the strategy. So here a stop loss is calculated as 7 rupees. So I will divide it by 7. So let us check the results, how much quantity we should buy. So it shows 28.57. Okay. So friends, we should not buy more than 28 quantity of this Asian Paint stock. Sorry, we are selling. This is a selling. We are going to take a selling trade. So we should not sell more than 28 quantity if we want a risk to be maximum 200 rupees. Friends, we can take a smaller quantity. Okay, we can take rounded up of 25 quantity, but never try to increase our risk of more than 200%. We can take a smaller risk. We can take a smaller risk, but never ever try to take a risk more than 2%. So don't ever think that if it is 28.57, so we should take it 30 quantity. No, maintain a discipline, friends. This is called discipline. Okay, we can take 30 quantity, doesn't matter. Okay, but the main thing is we should be disciplined. If we are disciplined that we will not take more than 2% risk, so we should not, we should stick to that discipline. Because if you are not disciplined, one day you will make mistake, you will take 30 quantity, next day you will take even 50 quantity. So you will go on increasing your risk from 2% to 3%, then 5%, then 10%, and so on to 50% sometimes. Especially the newbie traders I have seen, they don't even hesitate to take a risk of their whole capital. They don't know what is stop loss. They trade without stop loss, and when they are in huge loss, then they take some guidance from someone. Okay, then they ask that where I should take an exit, or shall I average this stock, or like this. They take different things. So friends, we should not do that thing. Always remember a stop loss, because stop loss is the only thing that is in our hands. We can cut our position as per the stop loss, but nothing is in our hands except the stop loss. Profit is not in our hands, friends. Profit is what the market, it will, whether it will give you a profit or loss, that will be decided by the market. But how much loss we are going to take in a trade is maximum loss, that will be, we can decide it before entering in stock and trade accordingly. Okay friends, this is a very important thing I am telling you. So always obey this thing, that we should decide our maximum loss for the day and then maximum loss for a particular trade. Okay, so this is a very good sell setup. So suppose we have shorted at this 1308.50 or so. See friends, it has given a dip till 1285. So our target, I told you, our target is about 1% in intraday, friends. Downgrade more than 1% in intraday. Even 0.5 to 1% is also enough in intraday. And there is one more thing, friends. We can take it in other way also. We can take a risk of 1:2. We can work in the ratio of 1:2. There is one more thing, that if we are getting a stop loss of suppose 7 rupees, so we can expect maximum 14 rupees. So it's 1300 rupees stock, so 1% is 13 rupees. Okay, so we can expect maximum of 13 to 14 rupees in a stock. Okay, so let us see how much it has given us. Okay, from 1308, let us say we have shorted below 1308. Okay, so stock has, by this time stock has gone 1295. Okay, so 8 plus 5 is 13. Right friends, so here is our right, this is the right time we should have taken an exit from this stock, from this trade. This is the right time where we should have taken exit from this trade, because this is the trade, it has given us 1% exactly, and if stock has even gone below. Okay, if we want, if we are little greedy, so at this level friends, what we can do is we can trail our stop loss from that level and keep it at the high of this candle. So we have to see some level. Look at this level, there is a level friends, so we can keep a stop loss at this level also. Okay, and be in a trade. So this level is actually 1297.50. Sorry, it is 1300. Sorry, it is 1300. It is 1300 friends. I will just go, and there is a setting. I will remove this level of indicator level. I shall remove these level indicators. Indicator level I shall remove, so that there is no confusion. Okay, so look at this level friends. So in this case, we would have taken a stop loss of this level, actually 1300 level. Okay, so means if we are still greedy, we see that stock can fall further down. So what we can do after stock has reached close to our stop loss, close to our target. So at that time, we can extend our target to further. We can expect somewhere down, okay, 5-10 rupees further down, okay. And here in this case, we have to take a stop loss, trail a stop loss from, our whatever level we have kept it, we should keep it at 1300 level. And so friends, we have to see some previous candle, and we can keep our stop loss, trailing stop loss at the previous candle high. Okay, so if we have shorted at this candle low, okay, once gone there, okay, once its stock has reached this level of 1% target, so here we should have trailed a stop loss from our stop loss level to this level. So we should have locked at least 8 rupees, friends. Okay, so see, then after we would have waited, and suppose we have waited, so look after that, what has happened, our stop loss would be hit here. Okay, either we have the chance to take profit at somewhere this level even. So the stock has given a very big dip, actually 1280 somewhere, okay, 81. Okay, so we would have taken profit immediately at that level. If we are not able to take profit, so friends, our stop loss would be hit. So still we are in profit. So always remember, if we have taken some entry in any trade, if we have taken any trade, so always one stock gives us some profit up nearing around about 0.5% to 1% of the total stock value. Okay, so we should trail a stop loss at least cost to cost, or at least 1 or 2 points towards our profit target, so that in case the trailing stop loss is hit, we are out of the trade as a neutral trade, because we should come out of even our with our brokerage also, right friends? So if we keep a stop loss is trailed 1 or 2 points towards a target side, so in case the trailing stop loss hit, we are out of the trade without, we can say, any loss. Even our brokerage will be covered in that 1 or 2 rupees. So we should play like this. We can have a neutral trade, okay, rather than a losing trade. So the best part, friends, the best part is we should take profit of nearly 1%. If stock gives us easily, so we should take profit and exit from that trade. Right, friends? This is the best strategy. Best thing is to take profit of whatever target 1% or nearing 1% target is. Once it is attained, even stock goes near to that, we should take a profit and exit. Okay, friends. So hopefully I have explained this thing. One of the sell setup I have told you, one stock goes below the median line, there we can take a sell call. Now let me show you, friends, that there is one more strategy of this. Once this Bollinger Band comes to it comes to a very small range. Sorry, friends, what is that? Okay, so let us remove the RSI. Okay, friends, so look at this. Stock has come to, this Bollinger Band has come to a very narrow range. So once there is a narrowing in the Bollinger Band, okay, so friends, we should expect a big move in the stock after this Bollinger Band is, it has come to a narrow range. Maybe it keeps narrowing for a long time. This is another strategy. Whenever you see narrowing in the Bollinger Bands, so after that we should expect a big move, friends, because it is showing, it is an indication of a big move either side. So whenever we see a narrowing in the stock, so there we should not take any trade. We should not take trade. We should wait for the stock to give a move to either side. So once, just like look at this, once stock was in this range, it has given a it is actually next day. Yeah, it is the next day. It's in the opening range. It's the opening first candle. Okay, so this it has given a big move from 1318 to 1310. Okay, so after this there is a doji candle. Okay, after this candle, second candle is a bearish candle. Okay, friends, so we should have taken short of even if we look at the first candle also. Okay, we would have taken short, or better say short entry below this second candle low. This candle I am telling you, okay, because this candle is fully below the Bollinger Band. So any candle that is below the Bollinger Band, or some part of that candle is below the Bollinger Band, so we can take a sell entry only in that side once it goes below the previous candle low. And same thing can be applied in buy side. If stock comes to up to some level, it comes to median line, and let me show you that also. Same type of buying entry, yes. So friends, here we have got a same sort of buying entry. Just like I am telling you that stock is once came close to this Bollinger, median line of Bollinger Band. Once it look at this candle, Stock has gone above this Bollinger Band candle. Okay, its opening is there. It is on 11th of 11th of this September actually. Yeah, same month. So see what happened after the first candle. So we have to, if we want to buy this stock, so we will take a buy entry only once the stock, we will take a buy entry once stock gives a closing above this candle high, this range high. So here in this candle, this big candle, this you could see there's a big candle. So at this candle high, sorry, this candle has broken the high of this previous candle. Okay, so this is our buy entry here. This is the level where we can take in buy entry when stock, it goes above the median line of the Bollinger Band. Okay, and anywhere it crosses the previous candle high. So look at these two candles high is approximately same. So we should not take immediately buy. Just look at this candle here. We should not take a buy entry because still the condition is still as per the strategy. The condition is not confirmed. It has not given us any confirmation. So for confirmation, we should wait till the time that it crosses the previous candle high level. So this green big candle you could see here, it has given a, it has broken the previous candle high, and stock after that stock has given a very good upside jump. So look at this level, friend. This level is actually 1299. This is approximately 1300. So we should take a buy entry in this stock about 1300. Okay. In this case, we can keep stop loss of, so we have to see we can keep a stop loss at this range low somewhere. So we have to see that time, whatever the condition is this, if it is close to, median line, so we should take a stop loss below the median line, or as per the situation I could see here. So friends, we have to see these situations. Look at this level. This is the lower, this is a candle. I'm just considering the body of the candles. Okay. So I can take a stop loss of this level, that is 1294.85. So we can, for safe side, we can keep a stop loss of 1294 rupees. We can keep a stop loss of 1294 rupees. This level, this candle high, this green candle, this green candle low. Okay. And enter in a stock above 1300 level. Okay. So there is a stop loss of 6 rupees, friends. How much stop loss is there? There is a stop loss of 6 rupees. Okay, so if there is a stop loss of 6 rupees, so we should again do that calculation. Okay, we should again do that calculation. Okay, that is 200 rupees divided by, sorry friends. So we will, suppose I'm taking an example that we have 10,000 in our trading account, and we don't want a risk of more than 2% of total trading capital. So we will divide this time, we will divide this 200 by 6. The calculation is 33.33. So we can take it a rounded value of 30 only. Okay. So if we have taken a 30 quantity of this stock, so we should have maximum risk of, we can say 190 or 200 rupees maximum risk is there. So friends, always remember there is nothing in your life where there is no risk. If we are doing anything, any business in, if suppose we start any showroom, any shop or any small businesses. So there are always, risk is always involved. Everywhere risk is involved. In our every life, the risk is always there. So we should understand the risk. Same thing applies to stock market, friends. Just like we are doing in our daily life, we are doing different things. So there are different risk involved in different things. Okay. So same thing, friends, in stock market, the risk is always there. There is no trade where there is no risk. So we should understand before taking any trade. So we should understand that there is a risk. So we have to decide how much risk I am going to take in this particular stock. If we feel that the risk is larger, okay, as compared to reward, so we should not go for that trade. We should not go for that trade. Okay. This is the best part. Okay. We should always take a decision before taking any trade. So here we need not to be emotional. We should decide and we should do a proper calculation and accordingly take a trade. So friends, suppose we are taking this trade. So it shows, it has already shown that it has a stop loss of approximately, it has a risk of approximately 6 rupees. So accordingly, we can decide that we should buy a maximum 30 or 33 quantity of this stock, and expect a target of somewhere around in the ratio 1:2. That is, if we are taking a risk of 6 rupees, so we should expect a target of 12 rupees. So now let us check whether it has given us 12 rupees or not. So from 1300 level, it has gone to 13.7, and then finally it has gone to 13.12. Look at friends, exactly it has given us 12 rupees. Okay, it has given a jump of 12.99 also, approximately 13 also. Okay, but the ideal target I told you is 13.12, so it has given exactly 13.12 rupees. So this is a best trade as per risk reward ratio of 1:2. So friends, always play with a proper risk to reward. That whatever stop loss is, you have the time, you have the chance to calculate that once stock has gone above this middle line of the Bollinger Band. So we should think of buying this stock above 1300 level, and we can consider a stop loss of this range low. This range low is, there are 3 to 4 candles which are which have made a range. Okay, so we can keep a stop loss below this range and expect a target of, in the ratio of 1:2, that is, if 6 rupees stop loss is there, we can expect a target of 12 rupees maximum. So it is exactly given 12 rupees, and see, after that stock has came down to median line again. Right, friends? So hopefully this strategy is clear, that middle line strategy, how we can sell and buy as per stocks approaching this middle line. This is one of the strategy which is very reliable. Okay, but we have to wait for the previous range, previous candle high to be broken. Only then we can buy after the stock has, reversed from this middle line in the upper side. And same thing we will apply in the sell side when the stock has gone below the previous candle low. Then we can sell. So I have told you that thing also. Here in this part I have explained the same thing. Okay, this is a sell setup, and this is our buy setup. Now friends, there is another strategy, that one stock has gone at the top with the upper upper line of the Bollinger Band. So here we have to see for it's an indication that stock has gone to resistance level. So there are chances that stock can take a reversal anytime. The stock can take a reversal anytime. So we have to wait that level for some confirmation. If stock has given a reversal indication, reversal sign, so there we can sell it. So see friends, stock has once made a high of 1313. This stock has made a high of 1313 with this green big candle. So we should wait here for our confirmation of sell side. So we can sell this stock with some, after we getting some confirmation. So look at next candle. Next candle is a bearish candle. Looking at this bearish candle, friends, we can take a sell entry. So we can take a sell entry below this candle low, anywhere in this range, and our target should be near the median line of the Bollinger Band. Here should be our target. We will short it, keeping our stop loss at the high of the previous candle high, previous candle. Okay, because the next candle is bearish, so it has given us an indication that after a big move, okay, after a big move, that stock can take a reversal from this level and can be an opportunity to short it. Okay, so this is another strategy, friends. When stock goes to upper Bollinger Band or lower Bollinger Bands, so we should try to find that stock has, once stock has gone to upper Bollinger Band. Okay, so that has come to some resistance level. So we have to wait for the confirmation of the reversal from that resistance level. Once we get a confirmation of the reversals, there we can take a sell position, sell trade. We can short the stock. Okay, and in case stock has come, look at this level, stock once fallen from some level, it has gone, even at, it has crossed the Bollinger Band also. So once it has gone to the lower Bollinger Band, so this is a support level actually. So see, we have to take some sign of reversal. So at this candle we will have taken a buy entry. Okay, keeping a stop loss of this candle low. So this low is 1286. We will keep a stop loss of this level, and we can buy above this candle. In this candle we can take a buy entry, because this is the this can, look at this gap of the two candles. Okay, after this big red candle there is a small baby candle. Okay, there is a small baby candle, and look at the next candle. Okay, so this next candle will be our buy entry. We can take buy entry anywhere in this candle, somewhere 89, 1280, 80, 88, 89, even 90 also. Okay, and we can keep stop loss of this candle low, that is 1200, 85, 86. So friends, there is a stop loss of there is a stop loss of, there is a risk of maximum, we can say 4 to 5 rupees risk is there. In this situation, I'm telling you, there is a risk of 4 to 5 rupees. So we can take a buy entry even up to 1290 also. We can take a buy entry expecting target near to median line of the Bollinger Band. That is 20 period moving average. Okay, sorry, yeah, this is a small actually. This range is small actually. 1 minute. 1289, 80, and this is, yeah, it has given us 1292. So friends, we have to see here. So we should always take a calculation here also, because see, we are getting a stop loss about 4 to 5 rupees. As per these candles, we are getting a stop loss of 4 to 5 rupees. Okay, so if we are taking a decision to buy this stock, so we should look at the level of the median line. So what level is there? The median line level is 1293. So we should decide before taking a trade whether we should take a trade or take this trade or not, because here the target will be near this median line. So this, if we take an entry till this level of 88 also, suppose we have taken entry till 1288 level also, our target will be maximum 1290 to 93 rupees. 93 rupees maximum target would be 1293 rupees. Okay friends, so we are getting a target of maximum 5 rupees and there is a stop loss approximately 5 rupees. So it's an equal 1:1 ratio. So better avoid such trades. Somewhere you may get some stocks that they show you that the stock can go up to that range, but in that case, if your target seems to be equal to stop loss even smaller than the stop loss, so we should not go with that trade. We should not buy. Okay, we should not buy in this trade. So this condition, it doesn't seem the right condition to buy. Okay, so we can avoid such trades. So now look at this level, what level I am telling here. So let us, before taking a trade, we have to decide that how much risk is there. So here we can take suppose we are selling it below 1300 and let us say 1311. Okay, suppose we are selling it below 1311. Okay, keeping stop loss of 1313. Yeah, there is a maximum risk of we can say 2 to 2.5 rupees. Maximum risk of 2 to 2.5 rupees. Let us say there is a risk of 3 rupees. Okay, suppose there is a risk of 3 rupees. Okay, suppose we are selling below 1310. So we have to see how far is the Bollinger Band. So here it seems to be quite big. The level is quite far away. So this is a right selling trade. So friends, before taking any trade, we have to decide that whether we should buy or sell, okay, as per the risk to reward ratio. So friends, our risk to reward ratio should be 1:2. This is the ideal and the best, risk to reward ratio. So anywhere we get a trade that gives us, profit in the ratio of 1:2. That means for 1 rupee loss, if we seem to get 2 rupees reward, so that is a right trade and that is an ideal trade. We should go long and short accordingly. Okay, but if we see that if we are getting any trade there where the risk to reward ratio is equal 1:1 or even less than 1:1, so we should not go with that trade. So friends, we should avoid a trade which is 1:1 or even less than that. Okay, my strategy is I always go for trades which gives which has a risk to reward ratio 1:2. Okay, so always I try to take such trades. I am not saying that I am always making profit. Okay, there are stop losses also, but I know my how much risk I will take. Maximum risk is there, but I take a potential trade that has a potential for every 1 rupee risk. I take a trade where there is a potential to give us a target of 2 rupees. Okay friends, so see, let us see now, let us check that suppose we have shorted this stock below this level 1310 levels. So suppose, okay, so see, till this time it has given 1305. So friends, there was a maximum risk was 3 rupees. If it was 2.5 rupees actually, okay, risk was actually 2.5 rupees and it has given us 1300 and 1316. Okay, so friends, it has given us approximately, we can say 4 to 5 rupees. It has approximately given us 4-5 rupees. Okay, so we can say it's a reliable trade. Okay, so we would have make a profit. So friends, before taking any trade, we should decide that as how much risk is there and how much reward, how much stock can go to that level. We have to decide this thing, right? So hopefully this strategy is also clear how we can take a where we should take a buy entry and where we should take a sell entry. But before taking any trade, we should decide our risk to reward ratio. And don't ever forget, friends, that we should not take a risk of maximum 2% of our total trading capital in a day, okay, or in a particular trade. Okay. And one more thing, suppose one day we have our stop loss is hit. Suppose we have taken a risk of 200 rupees and we have taken with a full 200 rupees risk in a particular trade. And if one day we have lost one trade, so we can go for one more trade only. Okay. And even if that trade is lost, so we should close for the day. We should close our terminal for the day and wait for the next day. Okay, friends. So always remember, if one day we have lost one or two trades maximum, we should not go for the third trade. Don't ever go for the third trade if we have lost in two trades. Have some plan, friends. Have some proper plan. Have some strategy. Follow some rules. So this thing should be followed strictly, friends. Friends, are you able to hear me? Is the what all things I am telling is this thing clear to everybody? Please, if someone is is there who is listening me, please tell me in day trading group. So that I come to know that you are learning this thing, what I am telling you. This strategy is clear to everybody. Okay, there are 16 people. Okay. So I hope, friends, the point I'm saying here is clear to everybody, that how we can take our trading decision for intraday. I just told you intraday, friends. Now let us move on to some, positional trade, or for looking for, investment in stocks. Okay. So where we can take a suppose, so we can make use of Bollinger Bands again. So let us go to, daily chart, friends. Let us see and go to daily chart. So look at this chart actually. Look at this level, friends. See, I have told you that we can buy one stock has, gone above this median line and we can take a buy entry. See, stock was once in this fall. One stock was falling. Okay. It has come to median line. Look at these candles. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles are there. Okay. So this is our buy entry, friends. At this level, we can take a buy entry. Above this candle high, we can take a buy entry. Suppose we are bought at 1150 levels. Okay, here we should keep a stop loss at Bollinger Band lows. This is 1133. So it is giving us a risk of about, we can say approximately, how much is this? 710. Okay, so approximately 17-18 rupees stop loss risk is there. Okay, so friends, if we are comfortable with this risk, the risk of 17 to 18 rupees, if we are comfortable, then we should take an entry in this stock at this level of 1150 and expect a target of in the ratio of 1:2. Okay, so that means for 70 rupees, we should get 34 rupees. So now let us see, stock has once gone this level also. Even at this candle also, it has given some big move also. It has moved to 1172. Okay, it has given us 22 rupees so far. So far it has given us 22 rupees, but again next day stock has given a dip till this level of 1139, and the next day it dipped till 1134 also. Okay, 1135, 1134. Okay, this is the maximum dip. So this day it might have given us a fear also. Okay, right. So see, next day what happened? Next day stock has moved up to, that means it has not broken this level. It has not broken this level and started up move. Okay, and see, it has gone to this level once. It has gone to 1193. Okay, so it has given, so far it has given us 40 rupees. So far it has given us 40 rupees, friends. Okay, so here by this time we would have taken profit. Okay, see, next few days stock has moved up to level of 1205.7 also, but this is somewhere we would have taken an exit, because see, this is a level from where stock can have taken a reversal also. Okay, the stock can take a reversal also, right, friends? So this is our target in positional target for few 2 3 we can say for 1 week or so. Let us count for how many days. Suppose we have entered in this trade in this level, and this candle this day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Within 10 days, friends, on 10th day, our target of in the ratio of 1:2, and even more than that is hit. It has given us 40 rupees movement, more than 40 rupees. Okay, so this day we would have taken our exit. We would have taken profit. Now see, friends, what happened after 2 3 days, after we can say 3 4 days. See, look at this level now. Look at this level. Stock has touched this level, made a high of 1207. It had made to high up, we can say the upper Bollinger Band, and see the next candle is a very good reversal candle. It has given a reversal sign. This candle is a reversal, so we would have shorted the stock, keeping a stop loss of this level high. Okay, so we would have waited this day also. We would have waited this day. We would have shorted in this next day. We would have taken a short below this candle low. Next day we will have taken short. So suppose we have shorted it below 1188, 87 somewhere. We have shorted it, keeping a stop loss at the high of this level, or even at the high of the previous big candle high, that is 1208.78. Let us say 1207. Okay, and we have shorted somewhere 1188. Okay, 1188.87, and we would have kept stop loss of 1278. Okay, so see, after that what has happened, our target is, yes friends, now look at this condition. Look at this condition. I'm telling you that we would have shorted this, but see, as per here the median line of the Bollinger Band is very close. Median line is very close. It shows a level of 1166, 65, 66 somewhere. Okay, so we have to calculate that how much risk to reward is there. Okay, if risk to reward is not reliable, so we should not go and sell the stock. We should not go with the risk to reward. And friends, always remember, we cannot sell stocks in in cash market. In cash segment, there is selling is not allowed. If we sell some stocks in cash market, there is a heavy penalty, so we should not forget that thing. So this strategy can be only for the people who are playing with futures. In futures we can buy and sell, but in cash market, it is not, we are not allowed to sell. 1 minute, there is some problem. Yes sir, this question, one question, that what is the ideal range of Bollinger Band by default. So by default range is 20 and 2. So 20 period is actually a moving average, that is a median line, and 2 is the standard deviation. So it can be plus minus 2. Okay, so that is actually, simply speaking, it tells us about the volatility of the stock, that how volatile the stock can be. Okay, it gives us an idea of the volatility of the stock. So friends, before entering in this trade, if you are selling this stock in future, okay, so we have to check that how much reward I can get it. So we have to, first target should be at the median line. So at median line, the level is 1160, 65. Okay, 65 maximum, 65, sorry, 66 actually. So friends, before taking a short trade, we have to decide that how much risk and reward is there. So it is giving us approximately equal risk to reward, so we should not go and sell it. This is not a liable condition to sell. Okay friends, so we have to understand these things. We have to understand such things and play accordingly. Okay friends, so now look at this level. Look at this level. There is a very good buying entry in this stock here in this level. Okay, if someone has taken a buy entry above these candles high, one stock has given a dip. Once it came to this median line, after these two candles, look at these two candles and see the third candle, friends. So we would have taken a buy entry above this third level, third candle actually. This third candle we will have taken a buy entry. This is 1132, 33 somewhere, 32 somewhere. Okay, we would have kept stop loss of previous candles low. The previous candle low should be a stop loss. This range somewhere 1313 is our stop loss. 1 minute, let me check it. Yeah, 1111 somewhere is our stop loss, and what level is our yeah, we would have taken entry above 1133. So friends, there is a risk of approximately, we can say, 22 rupees, 22 rupees, I think, yes, friend. I think chat is not visible here. Let me just check it. I think, yeah, there is no option. I'm not, comfortable with where we can chat. Okay. Okay, friends. So see, it shows that there is a risk of about 20 rupees. So if we are comfortable with 20 to 20 rupees, you know, rupees risk, so we will have taken buy entry in this stock this day. Okay, above 1133 with a stop loss of 1111, or even for safe side we would have capped it 1110. Okay, and see after that what has stock has given, how much move it has given us. Stock has moved up to, once at this time stock moved to 1158. Okay, and friends, this is an ideal level where we would have taken booked our profit, because reason being there is some previous level also from which stock has taken a reversal. That's a condition of double bottom, sorry, double top. So double top is actually a reversal condition, so we would have taken profit in this range. Okay, so somewhere we have got it equal to, we can say about, we can say somewhere around, it has given us approximately 20-25 rupees maximum. Okay, it is the target that it has given us. Okay, but if still we have remained in this position, and see, within few days stock, moved up, and it has made up to this level. So friends, here we have to take a decision. We have to take a decision. So what we need to do is, either we have taken, suppose we have taken entry above this level. So in this level we can keep a stop loss at cost to cost. But yeah, if we would have kept cost to cost this day, it would have hit. Okay, this day target would be hit. But if suppose we have not exited in this trade, okay, remained in this trade, so see, it has gone to this level. So it has given a huge movement of, okay, there's a huge big movement, friends. Okay, okay, friends. Now there is a condition. Look at this level. Once stock has came to this range, it remained in a range. It remained in a range for a few days. Okay. So once stocks come in a range, when there is a compression in the Bollinger Band, so that is a time that we should look for a big move of the stock either side. So here we need to wait for but the stock to take an entry. Sometime we may miss it due to, if we are not able to track it right time, so we may miss this thing also. But if we are able to get this stock at the right time, so it would be a wonderful entry in this level, friends. Okay, so friends, we would have taken a buy entry above this green candle high. We would have taken a buy entry in this stock above this green candle high, keeping stop loss below this candle low. Okay, so this level is actually 1311.12 somewhere. No, sorry. This is 1296 somewhere. Yeah, it is 1296, 95, 96 level. So we have taken and buy entry in this stock in this level, keeping stop loss of 1265 low. Okay. So we have to decide that how much risk is there. Accordingly, fan stock has given us a very big movement upside. It has made to this side, even it has gone to this side 4090. Okay, so when target is not in our hands, only thing that is in our hands is stop loss. So we have to decide that if we are comfortable with this loss, and see, there is a important condition that is visible by this time. I think it would be visible that time. Okay, that after this compression period, that stock has now, it will expand. If it has given a sign of expansion in the upper side, so there is a another confirmation that we can take a buy entry in this stock. So let me just add RSI also. Let us just check what RSI is indicating. So friends, we can take confirmation from RSI also to take a positional trade. Okay, look at this level, friends. RSI was also trading in the upward. It is showing the upward move. At this level, RSI is trading at what level? Yeah, above. It has crossed above 50. So once RSI crossed above 50, okay, right, friends. So this is also a condition that RSI is also giving us a confirmation that we can go long in this stock. So see friends, after this level stock has given a very big movement, okay, up to this level. And here in this, with this doji candle, it has given a, it has given us a confusion. It's a confusion candle after this big rally, that once there is a doji formation is there, so it gives us a, indication that stock can reverse now after this big move, that now bulls have become, they are tired. Now the bulls are tired in the stock, so the stock can fall down. So here we need to exit. At this level we should take an exit and, exit from the position and gone. Okay. So see, if we have taken an exit at this level, this after that stock has gone down also. So friends, this is all about, okay. And see friends, one more strategy is there. One stock I think I have told this. Yeah, I have told this in first part actually for intraday also. So same thing we can apply it in, positional trades also. One stock goes below, this median line of the Bollinger Band. So we can wait for the next candle. After next candle, see, one candle is down, and after next candle low, we can sell it. So we would have, if we have shorted at this candle low, okay, keeping our stop loss off, okay, somewhere in this range. So friends, we can keep stop loss up some previous range also, okay. And we have to decide that whether we are comfortable with that much risk or not. Okay. So see, after that stock has given a very big fall also. It moved down to 1292 from this range. But yes, it has taken a long time in this range. It has taken a long time in this range. And there is Bollinger Band, compression is also there. So we would have waited till this time. We would have waited the right time for the, take a sell call is once, there is a expansion of the Bollinger Band. So Bollinger Band expansion is at this level. So we would have taken sell entry in this level of 1392, keeping stop loss of this candle, previous candle high, 1414 or 15, 1415, and selling below 1392. Okay, and stock has given a dip 1290. Okay, 1390 and 1290. So friends, it has given us 100 rupees move downside, but this will be, only for this future, those who are in those who trade in futures, because in cash market shorting is not allowed. Because if someone shorts in cash market, so there is a heavy penalty. The penalty will be more than, if this, even in spite of this big move, there will be a heavy penalty. Okay, so there will be loss. So never ever try to, sell in, cash segment. So hopefully friends, I have made clear all 2-3 strategies that how can we make use of Bollinger Bands, how they are useful in our trading. So we can use them for intraday trading, for positional trading also. So these Bollinger Bands are actually telling us the support and resistance level. Look at this friends, look at a wonderful trade in these two levels. There is a wonderful buy entry above this candle high, wonderful buy entry in as a positional trade. Okay, and it has moved up to this range, from range of 1500 1158, sorry, 1158 range, 5860 range. It moved up and made a high of this range, 1257, 1256, 1256 level. And look at this level friends, look at this. It has once given a signal that it can reverse and stock has gone down. It moved down to this, from this range of 1249, okay, with a stop loss of just 1261.62. Okay, it moved down to this level once, 1214, okay, and then dipped till this level. So it has given a huge, profit in both sides, upside and downsides. So friends, always try to understand that, always try to understand stop loss. Look at this example only. If we have taken a buy entry in this stock, if we have not taken profit, so friends, we have to decide on how much profit we will take. Most of the time people take a buy entry in stocks, but they don't exit. Even in spite they see that stock has gone down 2 days, 3 days, but still they don't come out of the trade. So friends, we should not do that thing. If we have taken an entry, at least we should trail a stop loss at cost to cost level. One stock has given some movement of, we can say 5-10% anywhere. Okay, so we should take a profit of that level also. We should take a profit. If we have not taken profit, so see in this case stock has gone down below entry level. Okay, It has gone below, even it has hit our stop loss level also. Okay, so friends, don't do that. We have to understand stop loss even for positional trades also. There must be a stop loss, friends. If there is no stop loss, then don't trade. Because I have seen many people, they after they lose big money, okay, then they come and say, sir, will the stock will rise, okay, or will it go up? There is a reversal. Is there any possibility that I can average the stock? They think in different ways. So friends, don't ever average the losers. Don't ever average the losers. Okay, a loser can give us more losses. Okay, we have to see the charts. We have to understand. So without understanding the stocks, we should not just go and average at some low level. No, that is not a condition. There are conditions that stocks, they have came to that level that from where they have not reversed even at the live journey. Yesterday even I think someone asked me. Yes, I remember. I think that was Bajaj Power. No, Bajaj Hindustan. Yes. Look, let me just show you that chart. Okay. This I will take 5 minutes, friends. I will after that I will close the session because it's time. It has already taken a long time. Okay. So friends, let me just go on a daily chart. It's not easily visible to see how the stock has behaved in the lifetime. So I will go to monthly chart of the stock. I will go to monthly chart to show it in a nutshell. Sorry, what happened? Yeah. So friends, look at this chart. This is the whole chart of the Bajaj Hindustan Limited. Stock was once trading in this range of we can say 7 to 8. After that, stock has given a very look at Bolinger Band squeeze. After this narrow compression, it has given a monthly chart. It has given a very big squeeze. Because it shows indicators showing what has happened in the stock. Stock has made to this level. It has made a lifetime high of 480. Okay, it made a lifetime high of 480 from range of 8, 7, 8, 5, 8 somewhere. Okay, it has gone to that level, and after that, see, stock has started a downfall. Okay, straight till this level, straight to 120 level, then moved up to 250, even at 337 level also again. Once it moved to that level. Once it moved to that level, okay. After that, stock has again started downward journey, made fresh low 35. This time 35 pence. Previous time it was 120, 110, 120. This time it made a fresh low of 35. Okay, again jumped up. This time made a high of 200 range. Previous time it made 307.35. This time it made a high of 200. Okay. After that, then one more dip to 93. Okay. And look at that level. After that level, stock has came to range of 15, 16, 20, 21. And now stock is trading in this narrow range of somewhere around. So friends, it's in last, in the previous few days, its stock has made a 8.5 range. Okay. Now let us just zoom out the chart to see. So friends, look at this condition now. This is a condition that it has given an indication that stock has, from touching the lower Bollinger Band and monthly chart, it has made an upward move. So we can expect some upside movement up to this level, friends, somewhere around 11, 12. Somewhere around 11 to 12. So it can go up to that level. Okay, it may go up to that level. But friends, remember what I was telling you, that don't think that if you have taken a good stock, so that will give us, good profit. So friends, we should need to check our stocks periodically. At least after every 6 months, we should have a 3 to 6 months. We must have a look at our portfolio and take our decision accordingly. If we see some losers are there, we should take losses and come out of the losers. Okay, so friends, we have to see many things. We have to see the fundamental parts. We have to keep a look on how the company is doing. So there are various factors to study. There are various things. Just looking at that stock has fallen to some level, so we should keep on averaging every time. No, that is not a condition. So I'm just telling you, friends, that averaging and is not an option to trade. And second thing is, we must understand stop loss, because stop loss is the only thing that is in our hands. We can control we can control losses, Okay, profit is in the hands of market, but loss is in our hands. So we have to decide how much loss we can take in a particular stock, whether we are doing positional trade or we are doing intraday trade. So both kinds of trade have risk involved. Okay, both kinds of trades have risk involved, so we have to understand the risk to reward. Okay, if stock has gone, if it, and for positional traders, I will tell you one simple logic, that whenever stock goes below 10%, maximum loss we can take in any trade is 10%, friends. 8 to 10%. I have read many books that they tell that we should not wait for a stock which gives us 8% loss from our entry level. So I keep it maximum 8 to 10%. So one stock gives us 8 to 10% loss. So we should exit from the stock at any cost. Don't ever think that stock has, it will take some reversal or anything. No. The best part is take an exit from this stock and try to find some other good stock. Try to study the market, try to analyze, try to study charts, and try to understand the movements of stocks. So friends, if you could look at the, stocks, if you make a habit of looking at charts, so you can understand various things. Just look at this level, how the stock was behaving once it made to this side. So these candles are indicating, friends, that now it is going down. Okay, there is no, even look at this candle. Okay, all the candles are red on monthly chart. There is one green candle. Okay, but it's it could not break the previous candle high even. Okay, so we should understand different things, friends. We have to understand the market. If we want to be profitable, we have to understand. If we don't understand, we will not make money. And if someone makes money without understanding, that is a that just a fate, we can say, that the person is lucky that he has not, he has made some good profit, but that's a luck. But luck cannot always give us favor. Okay, so friends, try to understand, try to study market study is very important. Okay, and friends, I am giving various things in free. Okay, I'm taking sessions every Sunday, that new people who don't, those who don't have any knowledge, and those who can't afford to any paid courses. There are people who are taking 50,000, 20, 30,000 also. So people are charging big amount for teaching. Okay, so they will tell you same things. Okay, but polished. They will polish it and make it, take big amounts from people. Okay, so friends, I am conducting free session every Sunday. So all those who are interested to learn for free, so they can join my group. They can join my Telegram channels. Okay, and they can. Okay, so friends, with this note, I wish you all good luck, and thanks for everyone to join this session, to make this session interesting. Hopefully you might have learned. Okay, there are 9 people are okay joining this. So friends, with this note, I'm closing the session. That friends, always try to understand the stop loss. I've shared in one of my WhatsApp groups, I've shared what is the importance of stop loss. I've shared an article. Okay, so all those who want to read that article, so I will share with those. You just WhatsApp me. Okay, I will share that article with you so that you can understand the importance of stop loss. Okay, friends. So with this, I wish you all good luck, and thanks for joining my session. Thanks for giving your time. Good luck, friends.